Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this pre-everything frontal wig from UNice. This wig is honestly changing the game and you're about to see why. Stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Okay, thanks. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm a little sick. It's to the point where we can't even use regular tissues at this point. We're using motherfucking toilet paper. Y'all, I'm so excited. I got a new wig. Oh my gosh, the dust. It's been so long. Can you guess where it's from? Leave the comment down below. What brand does this give you? Yeah. Y'all, I've worked with UNice once before, and it was my red wig. I put it in here. Love that wig down. Like, I wore that wig till Kingdom come, and Kingdom has not come yet. Wow. Let's see what goodies we got. Ooh, this is new. Okay, nails. Man, I've been needing a new band. Mind you, last time I got a robe, I still have that robe, and I still wear it quite often. HD wig cap, because of course, like, we're not doing any wig installs without the HD wig cap. I've actually never done wig tape. I'm a glue girl through and through. But you know, maybe I could try the wig tape. I don't know. Oh, did I get into the robe? One thing about that W robe, okay? You can't tell me nothing. I'm sorry. Yeah, but y'all can't tell me nothing about the robe. The 13x4 pre-everything lace. Let's see. It does have a little bit of smell. Oh, it comes curled already. Oh, the curls is bouncy. Oh, I love this. It's already cut. It's already cut. This is a pretty deep part, I think. I'm really like, the curls is really getting me. Pre-curled, and the curls actually stayed, is crazy. They did do a good job on the plucking. Now, I have a widow's peak. Might just pluck a little bit just so I have a little bit of a widow's peak. It has two already pre-everything tabs already on there. There is a band on the inside. It is, you can take it out, it's removable. It has, you know, the regular clip. No clips on the side, which is good. I feel like nobody really uses the clip. I usually use the clips at the top though, because I like that to be secure, but it has a clip in the back. And then the best part about this, dun, 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 it has an adjustable elastic. So it'll fit any size head. You don't have to do any adjusting. They said small head, no problem. Big head, no problem. Oh, I'm living. Oh, this is Snug. Snug is about to get a rug. Wow. Wow. All right, y'all, let's get into this install. So this is what the plucking looks like up close and personal. And this is after I did a little bit of plucking on. I was going for a widow's peak, but since it was pre-plucked, I didn't want to take out too much of the hair. The tracks in the back of it are sewn vertically, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the drawstring. If it were sewn horizontally, when you adjust the drawstring to make the wig smaller, it would bunch up and not lay as flat. But this way, the tracks kind of come together, kind of like an accordion. I did use a cap that was in the package, but I feel like it was a little small for my head. I normally use this brand from Amazon, which I'll link down below for you guys. I'm trying out a new hairspray. This is the BioSilk finishing spray, and I should have known that it being a finishing spray was probably not the best choice, but hey, we move. I sprayed 2 layers, drying one in between, and once it was dry, I started cutting the cap. It did flake a lot, and you can definitely see where I cut, so probably won't be using that again, but if that ever happens to you, you can just clean it up with some rubbing alcohol. By the ear tab, the lace wasn't cut, so I used my pinking shears to do that, and while I do appreciate the lace being pre-cut, I feel like the cut was a little big for my liking, and I feel like my pinking shears make like the perfect zigzag and small ones at that, so when the wig is laid down, I feel like it looks more natural, whereas this I've been wearing for a few days and I feel like you can just really see what the cut is, and I just don't know if I like that. Now, the wig was big on me initially, but I used the drawstring in the back to make it tighter. I actually made it so tight that when I looked at it after a few days, I had a bit of a dent in my head, so don't draw it too tight because you can lose a little bit of circulation. We don't want that. This was my first time using wig tape, and I have to say it was pretty easy. The only thing that I noticed is that the tape is a little shiny when you look at it through the lace, but other than that, it did stay on when I went to the gym a few times. I used a finishing spray so I could do a glueless look, And while the lace tape made the wig stay on at the gym, what didn't stay were the curls. Like, I was so sick when I came home, y'all. The next morning, I just loosened up the hairs in the front so I could add in my baby hairs. And I feel like this part is pretty self-explanatory. Now, they do have an option where the wig can come with baby hairs as well. So you really can have the option to make this an everything wig and just not even have to do any customization. In addition to the spray I used the night before, I did put a little mousse on the hairline to melt it a bit further. And this is what we're looking like. I just did some makeup touch-ups so it blends in a little bit better. Now, the lace looked good head on, but at the other angle, where my head is up a little bit, you can see a bit of a white cast. So I went in with my L'Oreal Tinted Moisturizer and I put it directly on the front, but at the angle that you could see the wig versus just like putting it on top. And I feel like that made all the difference. And you couldn't really see the white anymore. For the curls, I had to go in and add them back in because duh. And it was pretty easy to add in since this is a body wave wig. It did curl very well. I added some BioSilk on my hair before I started, which kind of doubles as a heat protectant. Plus, it makes the hair shiny, which we love. All of the curls I did away from my face. Also, obviously, since I'm recording this a few days late, I'm sure you guys can hear I'm still sick. I don't know what's going on, but pray for me, y'all. The one thing that I suggest you do with any wig is cutting in some layers. Yes, it's an everything wig, so you're not supposed to really do any customization, but it always adds dimension and it helps the wig not look so blah. And also because this is 150 density, it also helps in making the wig look a little bit fuller. So I just cut all around. No real method, I really need to learn how to do a good cut, but that's neither here nor there. And then I just add some finishing spray to really add volume to the curls, which is my go-to hack. Once it's done, I went in with my hot comb to flatten the part a bit, and that's pretty much it. I ended up putting some makeup on the part a little bit later on, but as you can see, you don't really need to. I will mention that even though the part is deep, the rest of the lace really isn't. I was going to try to do a side part, but I just felt like the tracks were right there, and I don't really like that deep side swoop thing. It looks good on some people. I don't know. I just wasn't in the mood for that. So I ended up doing a half up, half down look, which I think came out pretty cute. Now, I've had this wig on for a few days since installing it, and in my honest opinion, it's been holding up pretty well with all the activities that I do, minus the curls dropping, obviously. When I do go to bed, I pin the curls, and then I use a stronger wig spray on the lace just because the Glueless thing just doesn't work for me with my schedule and my day-to-day life activities. So I make sure it's a little bit glued down. I can still lift it up a little bit, but it's not as it is in this video. And plus, I don't bring my wig band out when I'm at the gym or when I'm in my other classes. So yeah. And that is it for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Share this video with your friends, family, coworkers, old people. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.